Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video we are learning how to unzip files on Android device. Okay, and here is my OnePlus 70. Open your My Files or your file manager. I'm using the default one, which one is already pre-installed in OnePlus. So opening my files, then go to device storage, then select your particular folder which one is contain your zip file. Okay, go to in my case I am stored in documents, so documents zip files. Okay, then you can see my bank statement zip file is here, and inside that zip file there is a PDF file. So just press and hold the file, then select the three dots, then you can see option of extract files. So simply press that, then there is two options, like you can simply extract the files to this folder or any other folder. I am extracting the files to the same folder, so I am using the option of extract to parent folder. Parent folder, that means same folder. So that's it. Then the phone is created in the same name bank statement of the zip file as a folder. Then open the folder, you can find the file. So in this way you can simply unzip any file on your Android mobile. So that's guys, very simple tutorial. If you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.